Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you even subscribe, just click that subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm okay, how are you, sir?
Fine, thanks, man.
Igama lami nguSibusiso mfethu.
Okay.
Yeah, as a Sundown supporter, ngifuna ukutshela wonke ama South Africans ukuthi nimosha isikhathi senu. Yekelani yonke lento niyenzayo, nihlale namakhaya ileague yeSundowns.
Like kumele basmosha ngani?
Going to these stadiums and watching these soccer matches, there is nothing that Orlando Pirates is going to do.
But it doesn't mean going to the stadium. You are going there for only one reason, to win the league. You are going there to support your team. Even if you mabayeke ukuhamba by stadium, and unfortunately we shop hamwengani support the Pirates. Uthi ithini because sifuna abantu beze stadium bazobuwela igame. So uthi ingane yakho ithini? Ingane yakho le?
Yes.
Uthi ingane yakho ithini uma uthi bangeze stadium kodwa ubuza wena stadium.
It's explain but ngithi umuntu oya e-stadium because they are hoping ukuthi Orlando Pirates is going to play better and win games and eventually win the league is lying to themselves.
Is it?
Umntanami naye ngifuna ukuthi azi ukuthi i-league yeSundowns sonke singabantu basemzansi asihlaleni emakhaya sazi ukuthi this season i-league yeSundowns, next season i-league yeSundowns, last season i-league yeSundowns, forever and ever. Kuyoze kubuye uJesu bhuti wami. iSundowns izoloku ithatha i-league. There is no one who's going to take i-league except iSundowns.
Okay, siyabonga bhuti.
Ngiyabonga bhuti wami.
Uyayivuma lonto leyo? Awuvuma? Uthini wena?
Ngithi Sundowns mayeke ukudlala ibhola.
Sundowns menzani?
Mayeke ukudlala ibhola.
Oh mayeke yenzeni? Ihlala ekhaya nayo?
Eh.
Okay, siyabonga.